Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the DieHard battery pack. I use this. This has saved my life a couple times. I've had flat tires. My battery has died on my car vehicle, and this has really come in clutch. So this device will actually jump your car with the jumper cables that are right here. When I did have a flat tire, I was able to use one of the attachments on the back to help blow up the tire. It comes with a bunch of attachments here and a pretty long cord as well. To charge the battery pack itself, you can use an extension cord and pop this down, and it will plug right into the back, and it will be fully charged. It will tell you how much of a battery you have left when you kick it on, and then if you hit the buttons here, it has outlets down here at the bottom, so that way you can plug in anything that has an outlet that needs to be plugged in. It also has 12-volt attachments here down at the bottom. I got to also put down that there is USB ports as well. Like I said, this has been really handy. My practice is primarily mobile. I'm on the road a lot and in some very rural areas as well. So this has really come in handy when I had some car emergencies and not much help around. So I highly recommend this device.